Good morning, dear all. Today I will discuss Anova, that means analysis of variance in STATA. So first of all, I'm going to open the data set. Already I have shared the link in the video description. Please download this data set for practice purpose. My question, when do we use Anova? Generally, we use t-test for comparing a continuous variable between two groups. That means if the group size is 2, for example, the group sizes of place of residence is 2, so compare the mean between, for example, maternal weight is the mean. So if we use maternal weight, then the mean in the urban area, this is mean in the rural area with standard deviation. So if we'd like to compare between two groups, then just we use t-test. T-test by place of residence or any binary variable. That means there is a significant difference. But my question, if the number of category more than 2, like acid index, so how to solve this problem? That means we'd like to sorry. We'd like to assess the variation between the group. That means we'd like to any significant difference among the group. Then we won't use t-test because t-test will be used for only two groups. So in this situation, we use Anova. Just go to the statistics, then linear model and Anova, then analysis of variance. So here different variable is continuous variable and the model is this is the Anova. So if the p-value is significant, then we can say that there is a significance between any group. But which group we don't know. So another method is one-way Anova. Then we use one-way Anova. This is called one-way Anova, and response variable obviously a continuous variable, factor variable, a category variable like asset index. So yes, this is the Anova table. But before going to interpret the main result, we should assess the Bartlett's test. Bartlett's test used for the equal variance. If the p-value is insignificant, then Anova will be applicable. But remember, please, when the sample size is large, I'm telling again that if the sample size is large, then we get the significant result. In this situation, we should use another test, that's box plot, but the graphical. If the sample size is large, then the graphical representation is very important, like box plot. Already we discussed the box plot. Go to the box plot, then maternal weight, and the group variable is asset index, but wealth index. Yes, this is the group variable, and we can say that the boxes are similar. So there is no significant difference based on the variance. There are some outlier. This is another issue. So in this situation, we can use Anova. So the p-value is significant means there is a significant difference between any two mean. Either these or these or these or these or these or these, but I don't know which pair is significant. In this situation, we have to use the multiple comparison test like Bonferroni or Sidak or Shafi. We will use Bonferroni, for example. Then if we press submit, yes, this is significant, and this group, poorest, poor are significant, all are significant. if we use another group like division, is Dhaka versus Khulna, there is no significant difference, or p-value exactly 1. Dhaka versus Chittagong, there is no significant. Dhaka versus Borishal, there is no significant. Borishal versus Rajshahi, there is no significant. On the other hand, Rajshahi versus Chittagong, significant, etc. Then, from the Bonferroni correction, Bonferroni analysis can identify the which pair is significant. So, this is our Anova. So, if we would like to produce the summary, then we can click here, or we can, if we need the table, other table, then click here, etc. So now another objective of Anova is to identify the ICC. There is any inter-class correlation within group, then we can use ICC, intra-cluster correlation. So linear model, Anova, then large one-way. Just we have to type large one-way Anova. So click here. So response variable, for example, maternal weight, group variable, for example, the division, then we submit. Yes, the intra-class correlation 0.3. So to estimate the sample size, or to assess the correlation within group, we can use this command to estimate the intra-cluster correlation. So this is the application of Anova. So if you face any problem, then please comment in the comment box. Then we will discuss. My objective or making video is to learn myself. That means I would like to learn many things. So if you give some feedback, then it's very easy to learn STATA or statistical modeling. Thank you very much.